So today I'll be doing the unboxing video of the BT21 baby series, the LED digital desk clock. So I got myself the baby MANG one because I really like MANG. Let's get right to it. Let's go! Let's remove the packaging over here. This is how the overall packaging looks like. And over here they have MANG, Tata, Chimmy over here. And on the other side they have RJ, Shuki, Cookie and Koya as well. And on the back they have all the specs of the LED clock. So let's open this. When you open the box it looks like this. So let me just get it out. It's really cute. So over here is where they display all the timings, the temperature and all the specs. You have baby MANG here. I have my AAA batteries over here. Let's insert them. Let me just remove this as well. This is pretty cute. So let me just readjust this timing here. Press the set. So you have to hold the set button and then adjust. So next is 2020. Set. Set again. So this is the date. And set again. You can either put in 24 hours, so I'll do that. So set. This is the timing, so right now it's 1. Set again. Yes. I think you just have to wait it out for now. And you're done. So from where I'm from, it's 1 PM and 54 minutes right now. 6 December and 84 Fahrenheit.